welcome to my channel. Today, Mayday is not in the kitchen, but I will still be eating all the food that I can get.
Took my heart, took my heart, took my heart, took my heart.
I'm doing a foodie adventure. I'm super excited. I am going to go to restaurants and try their food. I will let you guys know how it is. If you guys like this content, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell so you guys can get reminders when my videos come out.
Forever.
Here in Irvine, and I'm about to open up what I got and try it out and see how it is. I'm so excited. So the first one I have is the pumpkin, and it's super cute. Halloween themed. So excited. Halloween's in like what, 3 days? 2 no, not 2 days. 3 days? 4 days? But the packaging is super cute, and then they have their little sticker. I don't know what flavor it is, but I'm excited to try it. The next one I have is a Pikachu. How cute is this one? And it has little fruity pebbles inside of it. I'm excited to try it. I'm kind of scared about. It's, how do you say it? Durian? Durian? It's durian flavored. So it's like an Asian fruit, right? Fruit? I've never had it, or at least I don't remember having it, because apparently it stinks so bad that they had to put it in this little plastic wrap. And I asked the lady, I was like, is my breath gonna stink after? She's like, probably. I don't know if I should try this first and then have the other one so my breath won't stink as bad. The last one I have is the lavender milk tea. I love lavender. There's actually gonna be a video coming out about me doing like everything I can with lavender, so watch out for that video. Yeah, just gonna try it now. Oh my! I wasn't expecting like the middle to be so gushy. You know, like gushers, how it like squirts in your mouth. That's what it is. It is super good. Like the lavender is not like super overpowering. Hell yeah! Pikachu time! Okay, so this one has the fruity pebbles in the inside. I'm so sad to like ruin it, but I'm gonna eat it. That was too big of a bite. I got too excited. The fruity pebbles is super good. You can taste it for sure. I feel like the inside, the cream as well. No, the cream is like neutral, but the fruity pebbles really add to it. Poor Pikachu. It was so cute. Too big. Too big. You gotta eat them all. Pokemon. That's so sick. Pumpkin time. So actually I figured out when this comes out, it's gonna be way past Halloween, but that's fine. But I'm very excited to try it. I think it has hazelnut in the middle. Oh my god, it's coming apart. But that's cool. So here we go. And my hair. Oh yeah, that's Nutella. I feel like Nutella's good with anything. That was good. I'm like so sugared out. Hey, last one. This is the durian. Ready for some stinky breath. Oh yeah. I don't know why, but I smell like fish. What's in the middle? Oh, it's even like, the middle's like sweeter. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Honey and butter, you have some awesome choices. But I'm sorry, I don't like this one. But the rest were so good. So good. Oh my god, there's like macaron filling like on the camera. So we just got done with honey and butter, and now we are on our way to Nguyen's Kitchen. And it is a modern Vietnamese restaurant. So you guys, if you've seen my Insta, and if you know, mainly just my Insta so far, but I love me some Vietnamese food, and this is a modern Vietnamese food, so I'm like super excited to see how like different it is, because I usually just go to like traditional Vietnamese restaurants, and then my grandma made Vietnamese traditional everything. So yeah, I'm super excited to see what they have to offer, and I really hope it's good because I'm starving. I haven't eaten. I just had those macarons, so I'm starving. See you there.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies.
First impressions, very tiny. Second impressions, I don't know. Shall be worried that nobody's here, or happy that nobody's here?
To cross this great divide, your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away.
Just got my food. I got Nguyen's Kitchen chicken wings, and I got the house marinated chicken sandwich. I think I'm gonna try the wings first. Comes with 3 sauces. I guess I'll try all of them. Oh, that smells good. It's like a cilantro thing. Oh, I love wings. I asked for medium spicy. It's pretty spicy. But it's good, but was not expecting it to be this hot. Mukbang? Huh? Like that?
Like the slurp.
These are good. I'm gonna try a different sauce now. I think this is just ranch. Ooh. Ooh, hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, but it's good, like good spicy. Sausages.
Alright, let's try this sauce. This is the last sauce. What is it? I'm not sure. Ow, hot. Ow, 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 ow. That's hot. I don't like it very much. I like the green sauce the best. Ow, it's so hot. It is so spicy. Should have got mild. Oh right, it's sandwich time. I feel like people say that, no? Like it's sandwich time? I feel like someone said that on some show. It's sandwich time. I need like more like something Asian, like more Asian something, like fish sauce or like something more Asian, because I feel like it's just like a normal sandwich. Oh yeah, it's modern. I forget. Okay. There's sauce. It's at the bottom. Wrong bite. It was the wrong bite. This sauce is bomb though, this green sauce. Did you try it? It's so good. I feel like I'm such a messy eater. Is that what makes a mukbang though? Like a messy eater? Or someone that just eats a lot? I don't watch enough mukbangs to know.
I think it's the sounds, right?
Oh, the sound, the ASMR?
Maybe.
Can you guys hear it?
Like first one, the bread takes a bite.
If you guys like this content so far and you like me going out on these foodie adventures and trying food in different restaurants, ooh, my mouth is burning. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come up, and like this video so that I know that you guys like this and I can post more videos like this, okay? I'm burning up.
That was spicy.
Really clears your sinuses. Your nose run or your ears? Your nose? My ears run when I eat hot stuff.
Oh, really?
It's so gross. Yeah, the wax. It's disgusting. When I was little, my uncle and my dad would always eat pho at my grandma's house, and they would put so much sriracha that their ears would literally drip. Like they'd have to get like the napkin and like dab their ears. It's so gross. But I do it too. Don't touch your eyeballs. Is it good though?
Yeah, you want some?
No.
You sure?
I mean, maybe a little, but I don't want to like take away from your meal.
Oh, no.
Okay, she got the
Spicy.
crawfish pasta. I'm gonna try it. She says it's very, very spicy. It's interesting.
Try again.
Try again? Okay. I need some crawfish. It tastes like... Okay, so my take. It's not bad, but it tastes like it should be like at like a New Orleans restaurant, not an Asian restaurant. It tastes like jambalaya or something, you know? Like it's not like Vietnamese.
I think what they did is garlic noodles.
Oh, garlic noodles. Oh. I mean, it's good, but I don't see it as Vietnamese. But then again, who knows if I know all my Vietnamese stuff. The 3 employees are like tucked away in the back of the kitchen. You can't even see them. They're bored out of their minds too. It's good. But being a fan of traditional Vietnamese food, I gotta give it to traditional. I mean, it's like a nice twist, but it's like homey when you have like the traditional. But they do have pho, and I like am down to try that. I'm like talking with my mouth full. That's disgusting. They do have pho, and I just saw that right now. Maybe that's good. I don't know. I wonder like their modern twist on pho, but it's not bad. I just think I prefer traditional. I would recommend this. It's such a big bite. I'm like a chipmunk. I would recommend this to someone that normally doesn't try Vietnamese food and maybe isn't like a huge fan of like Asian cuisines. I would definitely recommend this to them because it's like a little bit Asian, but it's definitely a lot of Americanized flavors for sure. All right, I think I'm full. What up? So we are about to go to Phil's or just Phil? Phil Bakeshop, and they have mochi donuts. Usually they sell out pretty fast, so hopefully they still have some. We'll see how it goes. If not, then this might be the end of my video. We'll see. Keep on watching, or no, just next clip. Here we are, rolling up on Phil Bake Shop.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you?
strawberry shortcake. That's good. Oh, it's like crispy, but like chewy. It's really good. I'll go to the next one. Matcha white chocolate. I don't know what matcha tastes like, so it kind of just tasted neutral, to be honest. Like, it's not good, it's not bad. It just tastes neutral. It's good. Guava cheesecake. Yeah. Yeah. I knew I wouldn't like guava, but she recommended it. It's not bad, but the guava is interesting for me. Alright, we're good. If you guys know any other restaurants that I should try, or your favorite restaurants that are within the San Diego, Orange County, Riverside area, please let me know. I would be so excited to try those out and give my honest review. Thank you so much for joining me on my foodie adventure vlog number 1. That means there are more to come. I'm so excited. If you like this video, please hit the like button so that I know to make more of these. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you can get updated every time that I upload a video.